Online surveys offer a convenient avenue to earn extra cash and expedite your financial goals. Branded surveys, MyPoints, Hey Piggy, Prime Opinion, Free Cash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashGick, and Opinion Outpost are among the top legitimate survey sites. Each site presents varying availability, age requirements, and payment methods, so choose wisely. When selecting survey platforms, consider factors such as reputation, survey quantity, and payout methods. To maximize your earnings, complete profiles thoroughly, seize free offers, and prioritize high-paying surveys. Follow best practices like creating a separate email address, taking regular breaks, and installing antivirus software to safeguard your information. Be wary of warning signs indicating potentially illegitimate survey sites, such as membership fees, lack of customer reviews, requests for private information, and complicated qualification processes. Rest assured, surveys for money are legitimate and usually take only 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some platforms even offer instant cash or signing bonus points. Companies value your feedback and pay for your participation to gather valuable market research and consumer insights. Start making money today by taking online surveys.